In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Airbnb payment method. If your payment isn't going through on Airbnb, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be solved by checking your payment details, updating your payment method, or confirming things with your bank. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get back to completing your booking. First, go to Airbnb and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open your account section, then select payments and payouts. This is where you can review the payment method saved to your profile. Take a moment to carefully check the card information you already have on file. Make sure the card number is entered correctly, the expiration date is still valid, and the CVV or security code is accurate. Also confirm that the billing address matches exactly with the one your bank has on file, because even a small mismatch can cause a payment to fail. If everything looks correct but the payment still isn't working, the next step is to add a new payment method. Stay in payments and payouts, then click or tap. Add payment method. Choose the payment type you want to use, such as a credit card, debit card, or another available option in your region. Enter the details carefully and save the new payment method. This can help if the original card entry has an error or if that payment source is no longer being accepted. If your saved card still gives you trouble, try removing it and adding it again. Go back to payments and payouts, remove the affected card, and then re-enter it with the correct information. After that, try completing your booking one more time. Re-adding the card can sometimes refresh the connection and resolve a stuck payment issue. If the payment is being declined, it's also a good idea to contact your bank or card issuer. Ask whether you have sufficient funds or available credit and check if the transaction was blocked for security reasons. You should also verify that online transactions and international transactions, if applicable, are enabled on the card. If you're using the Airbnb mobile app, make sure the app is updated to the latest version from your device's app store. Once it's updated, restart the app and try the payment again. An outdated app can sometimes cause errors during checkout. If the issue continues, try another payment method that's available in your region. And if none of these steps work, go to the help section in Airbnb and contact Airbnb support. Share your booking details and the exact error message you're seeing so they can investigate more effectively.